on this chart, I'm going to expect that, you see, there's like a nearby left of this candle, there is additional bars. It's the delta bars. You see right here, you see? They building in real time over here right now. You see there's a green bars are building. It's showing me a significant movement into a buying direction. So I'm gonna buy. Okay, based on this delta compression indicator, let's squeeze a little bit more. We'll see. This is the delta block, like kind of sign, okay? And we see significant amount of buyers stepping in. See, I have to be careful with the stops because the price now is going up and down, and I have to buy again. But the stop is getting closer to the price, and I need to give some room.
Target filled.
Boom. Okay. Okay. Nice. Where are we going? We're climbing up. We're climbing up, and if I make this chart like this, so what's going on? We completed this cycle. We may go actually lower yet, but there is some insufficiencies in this candle, so we can go and close my
target filled.
Yes, we close my targets, and then now we have to wait. I want to wait if the price will surpass, because that's a two heavy blocks of the red delta sitting here, right? I have to be super careful how we're gonna pass this red delta blocks or compression or right over here. You see, take a look. It's not that like jumping from the screen, but it is actually indicator. You see this red candle, and left of that there is a small teeny red bar. So the same over here on a green, you see the small teeny green bar. Okay. Now I have to be careful. I love to wait what the price gonna do now. The price must prove itself. Will we go higher from this point? Why? Let me draw on the left side a kind of a resistance zone, like this is, by the way, this is a resistance zone, okay? I'm showing it to you on the 30-second screen. Will we pass this resistance zone or not? Yeah, there is some buyers still stepping in. We're seeing the green delta 1, green delta 2 on the 3-minute candle, and we're seeing the green level 2 delta. This is level 1, this is level 2. We're still seeing it there, but the sellers are stepping in again. We're sitting in this zone, POC is right at the top, so we hit the POC. Will we melt that POC on the way up or not? So right now there's a sign to sell. Should I sell right now? Yes, I'm selling. Is that right? According to my system rules, I made a sale because of these two on the 30 seconds, this level 2 and level 1 delta, and the speed of tape. They align it with the color and means in the same direction. Okay. So bottom line is, from this structure, what I see, the price will sink down, but not without the fight. Sink down. You see this red delta sitting here, and there is that indicator on the left side of the candle is red, right? You see this red thin bar nearby the candle bar? Okay. This is
target filled.
Indicator
Target
I
filled.
got close. Oh yeah. I need to give him a little bit more room. We'll see.
Target filled.
Here we go. So working on these two screens helps me to see a bigger picture on the compression, delta compression, and the delta blocks. Delta blocks are giving a bigger picture on the 3-minute chart, and the 30 seconds give me like a micro, and this is macro on the right side, and this is micro on the left side. So let's take a look. You see the volume is going down. Volume is going down. That is interesting. That means we still have a chance to find a support somewhere on the left side. Like we found an imbalance zone, this one and this one. But my guess is we're gonna go even lower.
Order filled.
Here we go. We're going lower. I'm gonna close it
filled.
because the price is kind of like jumping up and down.
Order filled.
Selling again. Where are we going? We're going to this region, okay? Oh,
target filled.
okay, it's closed. Nice. $900 positive. That's fine, because you see this red bar left of the candlestick? That's a delta sign. That's a clear indication. Oh, jeez, are we going down? I have to be very careful because there is some limit orders on the buyer side is now stacking. They're showing the signs. These guys are still strong. These guys, the sellers on the limit side, still strong. But now the buyers are stacking up. Ooh. But it's nice to see that those profits get closed. Now we're approaching another visual kind of marker. This is a visual and psychological marker. This resistance zone. There may be a reaction for price right here. Is that possible too? Is that legit to expect some reaction from the previous significant low? Absolutely. The price will get reaction from here. But it doesn't mean it's going to be like, we're going to stop there. We have to see reaction and look at the bars. I mean, the candles, and on our 3 indicators right over here to see micro, what's going on. Because we still can, like, if we go up, we can go into this imbalance zone, or even, see, sometimes I'm just like, I know where the zones are sitting here. The zone is sitting right here, up to this POC. So we can climb like over here, or we can climb like into like this region, because this is insufficient orders in a one directional order sitting there. Okay. So if we're going up, but looks like we don't care about this zone. Now there's a reaction. Yeah, you see this? Now there's a reaction. So should I make a sale? Yes, I should go sell.
Target filled.
Okay, I'm trading 15 minutes. This is only 15 minutes trading. And what? I made like a little bit over $1,000. So that means when you're trading with the compression, delta compression, look carefully at those blocks that builds over here. What is the left of the candle? That is like a marker. That is the indicator, this one. It's easy to oversee it and not to give like too much attention, but that's exactly what it is. So this is the macro, a big picture, and this is the micro. Should I go sell? Oh, yes.
Order
Again.
filled.
Boom. We're going down. Doobie, 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 doobie down. What's going on today? There is some news. Okay, I need to move my stop loss to give a room because we're still on the direction to fall. We are falling. The price is falling today. Okay. Yeah, this is obvious resistance zone in the air, in the space. Should I sell again? There's one contract to fill, and after it's gonna fill, I'm gonna strike again and add more contracts. Should I?
Target filled. Order
Boom.
filled.
That is the marker. Now, how nice it is. It's just
Target
like,
filled.
boom. 16 minutes in trade. You see this block again? You see this red bar left of the candle? Okay. Boom. Let me make it. Okay, now there's some buyers stepping in. Obviously, some buyers are stepping in. How do I know it? Because of these numbers for the delta is going up from 400 to 300. I mean, 400 something. Yes. So we're still struggling. There's some people want to catch up because it's a low-hanging fruit. Oh, jeez. So what they're doing right now, they fulfill this bar insufficiency. Now the next target for them over here, if they have enough juice, will they? I don't know. Okay, there's a 1300 on my account, positive. At the moment, you see this bar? This bar, left of the candle bar. Should I sell?
Target filled.
Oh. You see, guys, I mean, just like the moment I click on sell, on long, on short, oops, the price is just going that direction. This is what new indicator spark is doing. It wasn't possible before release of this new indicator spark to trade like this. So I'm pretty excited. Now on the left side, you see there's like a wick sticking out. There's a POC inside of that wick. That's a very good sign that we're going down. Now we can make a rotation over here. Are we making rotation or not? We can. Okay, there's some kind of rotation because there's like so much buying power. At the same time, the limit orders were like red. The sellers step in right over here and smack it down. Those guys
Target filled.
with their limit orders. So it's really nice. 1500 plus. It's not too bad for how many minutes? Now, it's about 19 minutes in trading. So, should I quit now? Just for the sake of illustration, yes, absolutely. This is enough for me to illustrate you how to trade with both charts. With both charts. 3-minute chart with a delta compression and delta blocks over here. And over here is a micro picture. This is macro, this is micro. And there's my 3 favorite indicators that when they align the same color, same direction, that's kind of like a very defined indication to act one way or another. Okay, right now I'm seeing that we met this bid 55. Delta is 100. Oh, there's somebody is over here is very, very strong. I saw that it turns into red because they're added like probably 100 contracts over here. These guys, those are limit orders. They are manipulators. They define where the market gonna go. Those guys who are bulls or bears, They get manipulated between right now between this order and this limit order, this limit order and this limit order. We are stuck right now in this particular range, and you see the price is bouncing. It's got reaction. Now it will break one of those at the top or at the bottom. Yeah, at the bottom they are much stronger. They're saying, if you come over here, we're gonna buy all of you guys. So they're like making a threat to sellers. So the price right now kind of like afraid to go down. Boom, and we're moving up. Should we reverse? Should we change the direction? Too early yet to say. Is there a space for it? Is there a room for it? We need to see if these guys will get exhausted on the way up and boom, fall down, and these people will remove their scarcity limit order. You see? We're seeing those guys. See, they're removing right now. Yeah, they playing with these limit orders. This limit order sitting here is just a scarcity tactics for market participants to look at this and make their decisions where they want to go. This is thicker limit orders right over here, then over here. So they're saying, I'm ready to buy from you. If you want to go down, I'm going to buy all from you. So you rather move the price higher. You see, these people trying to buy earlier than those guys who are sitting right over there. Okay, that's what's going on right now. But you see, now it's too early for me to make any decision. Actually, I see there's a rotation. But this week and this week, I mean, tail, you can call them candle tail, whatever, a significant. So we kind of climbing up, making higher candles. The POC in each candle is moves up, boom, highest place. Now the sellers are stepping in. This guy, you see this guy, they want to say, I want to sell. That's crazy, man. That's really crazy. They saying that they're gonna sell. Are they serious? I don't know. So far, we're seeing this candle bar is building above the point of control. Now the point of control moved right there, higher. Boom, what's going on? What is going on? Should I get ready for buying? I think it's too dangerous at the moment. I think it's too dangerous to buy. See, on the right side, we're seeing the 1, 1, 2, 3 consistent red bars left of the candle. But the candle's kind of like moving, like rotating a little bit. So what's going to be? What it's going to happen?
Order.
Oh,
Target
I'm
filled.
selling. I'm selling like crazy. Oh, guys, you see how soon I've got my profit target hit. Boom. Right after I enter into sales. Now we have to wait. We have to wait. There's some green delta is building up right there. Oh, should I be afraid? Should I be afraid the price is going to go up? See, when you're live trading, you never know. And I'm so vulnerable in front of you, predicting the price and making my strikes in a one particular direction, because you're going to judge me by my... If I'm going to lose even a little bit, you're going to judge me. Your mind will say, hey, but you know, he was wrong. But you know what's most important? Is the story of you bias that you're building and rules that you're using. I can lose 2 contracts over here, $200, $300, not too much for me. But so far, this is the range. Let me show you the range where we're trading, that range. Until we move out of that range, the price is not finished to tell me the story, this particular range. Let me make it a little bit more transparent. Okay, when I'm trading live, I have a chance of being criticized by both sides. Okay. Until we move out of this range, the price is sitting in this range. I may say like over here. The more particular, it's like we're sitting right over here, right here. Or if I want to narrow down, until we move higher or lower, it's gonna be a fight. So now, but this fight, what kind of the fight it is this fight is on the way down. Now we're seeing a stronger range. That means that is a resistance. So we actually will go higher. We have a chance to go higher again, even up to this point in a way down. Is there a chance? Yes. Or we may just lose our juice on the way up and simply fall like a rock. What's going to help me? The right side screen, okay? The right side screen. The macro picture, this is a rotation. Some kind of rotation. I mean, like 1, 2, 3 candles, 3-minute candles, showing the delta, green delta is climbing up. Oh!
Stop.
Profit order. Okay, what? Right here. And then it hits my stop because price is just like, bing, boom. It's like a ping pong, okay?
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh, nice. You see, guys, we hit this limit orders. You see, that's a prediction easy to make if you see this past DOM indicator like you see this on my screen. Wow, that is amazing. So how many contracts we're seeing? 78, and there's a 71. So there's like a total, like 150 contracts sitting there. The price got reaction. The price got reaction. And what should I do? Just a second. I'm gonna sell again. Boom. Oh, jeez.
Target filled.
Oh. Yes. Yes, ma'am. And you still need to give room. Okay, we're going down. This is amazing. You see this limit orders on the same price, I guess, right here that we pierced through this limit order, and on the 3-minute chart and on the 30-second chart, we're seeing it right here. So we've got enough juice to melt it down. Will it be a false break or just a true break? I don't know. I still have my 2 contracts set working, and I am about, not yet 2,000 positive. 2,000 positive. I'm a really good singer. I love to sing, but everybody around me is like, that's not your best gift, Oleg. That's not your best gift. What's my best gift, by the way?
Order filled.
Could you tell me what I'm good at? What I'm good at? I tell you, talking. I love to talk because I am by profession communicator. I've got my master's degree here in California. Degree in communication and education. Ooh, the price is, what price is doing is hitting on the left side, hitting this people with a margin call. And now after we hit them with a margin call, the speed is going down. Total volume is going down. So when volume is down, that is a really good sign that there will be a movement. Okay, I still have a six contracts at work. Should I add more? Not yet. Now, this is interesting sign. You see the speed of tape is going down, down, down. That means they stop fighting. The volume is going down. This is a regular delta level 1. It's going down. Now, who is pulling and stacking? I need to look. Who is pulling and stacking on 30 seconds and on 3 minutes? Candle bar. So right now, the stacking is who? Sellers are stacking. Oh, mama, there is a chance that I'm gonna get my profit taking right here. Because who is stacking? Sellers are stacking. In a moment, there's some buyers stacking, but on the 3-minute chart, we see the sellers are stacking. So there's like a squeeze right now. There's the candles are very small. Look at this guy, 81 contracts, even higher than over here. 81 contracts. So, are we going down? Yeah. We're going down. We're going down. We're on the way down, but we're still like struggling yet a little bit. So let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. Wider chart. You see this bar? I love this bar nearby the left of the candle. This is the block. That is the block. That building over here. Minus 680 sellers. Oh, they're gonna close it. Oh, boom. You see, that's how this delta compression works. You see this 400, this is 400, this is 200, this is 400. In red delta, oh, just lovely. So this is a clear demonstration for all of us. I'm gonna close this.
Order filled.
I'm gained about 2,000. So this is just a clear demonstration how we can use in the macro picture and the micro picture, which helps to make decisions. Those delta blocks building over here and delta compression that builds on the footprint is amazing tool. So do I recommend it? You can take your own conclusions. I don't have to recommend it to you because I think the results selling by itself. This is the way to trade that never seen before. Most important indicators from the bestorderflow.com obviously provide me a really advantage. Let's take a look at the trade performance for today. So we made a total of 50 trades, and usually I enter with 4 contracts. You can divide by 4 if you wanted to. Some of them are closed prematurely. Now let's take a look at the win rate. Percent profitable is 94%. On the short trades, 97.5. On the long trades is about 77. Now, when we take a look at the not just profit percent profitable win rate 94%, that's not enough. We need to take a look at the Sharpe ratio is 9.9, almost 10. And then we take a look at the profit factor is above 2. Yes, it is 12.5. So the profit factor is above 12. The Sharpe ratio is above 9, close to 10. Percent of winning trades or percent profitable is 94%. So could you live with the 94% winning trades? Could you live with the Sharpe ratio 9% and profit factor is above 12? Do you want to make like $200-300 a day trading 20 minutes and they call it the day off and go and snowboarding or skiing or surfing? In California, I can surf in the summer and I can snowboard, which I'm learning right now. It's new skills for me. And I love to ski. And that's what I'm going right now. I'm quitting, recording this video for you and asking you, is that okay for you to make consistently $200-300 a day in 20 minutes practically? Okay, half an hour. You saw that it took me about like a half an hour to come up with a $2,000. Is it possible for you to come up with $1,000 or just a few $100? So it's up to you to make a decision what indicators you're going to use, because this is the latest development in the order flow community that you can be proud of. This is the cutting edge of the building a new type of indicators, modern and highly performing, because they have a highest speed out of any other order flow indicators. It's a highest by speed and by visual presentation. So that's why I love to introduce you to best order flow indicators. If you wanted to, if you're seeing it just a few $100, go and grab it. If it's less than $1,000, you absolutely must go and grab it, because one day you will see the price gonna go above $1,000, and then you will surprise why didn't you get it now. The value of this pack of indicators, it's a 3 other packs of indicators, and we build it based on people who trade like me and like others. We build this pack as we trading ourselves. So from the trader to the other trader. This is the cutting edge. You can get the trial version, see if it works for you, if you like it, and you make a decision.